I could use a few more inches. It's another beautiful day here in the UK, which is perfect to get some more work done on bike. Now that I changed the brake line with a longer one, I can finally install the new handlebar setup, which is made out of Drag Specialities 6.5-inch risers. I've got the Built-Well Tracker High dimple bars, and also got the Built-Well Renegade grips. Now what I'm probably going to do first is remove the tank and also this little fairing, because I might have to reroute some of these cables. So let's get going. To remove the tank is pretty straightforward. I'll just have to unplug the fuel line. I also have the fuel pump plug to take out, and those two bolts. It'll just come right off. Okay, now I'm gonna take these things out. Most likely I'm gonna have to file away a little bit of this part so it fits properly with those knobs. So this is exactly what I was saying. I'll have to move the wires a little bit just to have enough slack. Looks to be pretty damn close. Okay, so now I have pretty much everything dialed in. I filed these corners. No, the headlight, sorry, the handlebar mount fits perfectly. Now it's time to put this bad boy in. Okay, so I'm gonna start just by slightly tightening the clamp here, then I'll tighten the bolts, the riser bolts deep underneath. I'll position everything just to be sure everything is aligned. I'm gonna put the controls back and start buttoning everything up. Okay, so now that everything is in position, I'm going to install the grips. And a useful tip I found on the internet is to use hairspray. Let it dry up for a few hours, then it's good to go. This is how the bike looks with the new handlebars. I gained about 4 inches compared to the old setup. And just to give you an idea, my hands are pretty much level with my shoulders. So this is a 10.5-inch rise on the handlebars. So for anyone wondering, besides the brake line, everything else is long enough. You can probably fit like a 12-inch handlebar on this one. So this is pretty much it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.